In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert and configure videos in your presentation using Google Slides. Whether you want to add a YouTube video, one from your Google Drive, or any other source, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to make sure your video enhances your presentation just the way you want. To get started, navigate to the Insert menu in your Google Slides. You'll see an option labeled Video. Click it, and you'll be presented with three choices: YouTube, by URL, or Google Drive. Select the source of your video and follow the prompts to insert it into your slide. Once you've successfully inserted your video, you can customize its position and size according to your needs. Simply click on the video, then drag it around your slide or use the corner handles to resize it. This flexibility allows you to fit the video perfectly into your slide layout, ensuring it complements your overall presentation design. Next, let's explore the format options to fine-tune how your video plays during the presentation. Click on the video in your slide, and you'll notice a toolbar or a right-click menu option labeled Format Options. Click this to open a sidebar on the right side of your screen. In this sidebar, expand the section titled Video Playback. Here, you'll find the option to set the video's playback mode. You have three choices: Play on Click, Play Automatically, and Play Manual. If you choose Play on Click, the video will start when you advance to the slide. Play Automatically will have the video starting as soon as the slide loads, perfect for sequences where timing is critical. Choosing Play Manual means you'll need to click the play button on the video during your presentation, offering the greatest control. If you only want to show part of the video, you can specify a start and end time in the video playback settings. To do this easily, play the video in preview mode and pause it at the desired point. You'll see an option to use the current time for the start or end markers. You can always reset these settings using the Reset to Start or Reset to End buttons if necessary. Perhaps you want the video to play silently. In this case, simply check the Mute Audio option within the playback settings. And if you'd like the video to loop continuously, some guides might mention a Loop Video toggle in the format options. However, keep in mind that looping may not function the same across all browsers or video sources, so be sure to test it. Finally, it's crucial to test everything in presentation mode. Click Present, navigate to the slide with your video, and check if the playback behavior matches what you set, whether it's automatic playback, manual start, or looping. With these steps, your video should now be a well-integrated part of your presentation, adding both value and engagement. Happy presenting!